What's up, everybody? What's up? Hey guys, it's your main man, Colossal Killer, coming to you with a different drink today. It's Snapple Elements. They just sounded too cool to pass up. So I'm gonna do these drinks and see how they do. And I'm gonna do another one today too. I've decided to do at least one video a day, but today's I found two, which will be this one as well. So, but before I do anything else, please, my killers, make sure you like my videos, comment, and subscribe so you can get notified from all my new videos like this one. So, today's been a good day. It's been getting a lot better. I'm thankful for the stuff that's going right now. Good stuff, good vibes. And I know I've gotten some good vibes from people, my killers, so thank you. It really means a lot. So we're going to get to this video. So we've got Snapple, new, light, and refreshing. All natural. We've got Snapple Elements. Only thing is they didn't have an earth one. I could have been the avatar. Okay, so we got the element of air, fire, and rain, aka water. So we got prickly pear and peach white tea. We've got dragon fruit flavored juice drink and a agave cactus flavored juice drink. We'll do the tea one first. Yeah, they didn't have an earth one, or I would have gotten that one too. Okay, shake it up first. Drink. And that's Alice playing in the background. You definitely taste the pear and kind of peach stuff. Alright. Hey, what do you rate it?
What is this one?
Prickly pear and peach white tea. I'd say that one was pretty good. I think I gave that 3.5.
Well, that's pretty good.
Yeah. I don't think there's a Snapple one I haven't liked. And I haven't done Snapple in a good while. Actually, you know what? That's just a little above a 3. So I'm going to give this one a 4. It's good. I would drink it if it's there. Oh, I forget that these have real facts. This one's real fact 1585. The air signs are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. That was my brother. The one that passed away. He was an Aquarius. So that one I give 4. Next is the rain, which is I gave cactus flavored juice drink. And I'll read the stories on the back of them too. Not sure how I feel about this one.
What is it?
I can never say the first part. Agave. It's a cactus part. Agave.
Cactus. Not too bad.
No, that one was alright. I'd say that one's a 3.
Yeah. The other one was better.
This one says fact, real fact, 1566. A fire will burn faster moving uphill than downhill. That's actually interesting. Okay, next, elemental fire. This one is dragon fruit flavored juice drink. Sounds okay. Let's
What is
say
it?
a dragon fruit. Let's say that one's 2.5. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
So, for results, the fire was 2.5. The agave cactus was a 3. And the air was a 4. So, yeah. With that said, my killers, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like Snapple, or I would recommend you guys trying these and tell me what you think, because I need an honest opinion. And yeah, so with that said, my killers, I'm gonna upload this. It'll take about a couple hours or so, and then I'm gonna do my Mountain Dew. So with that said, stay safe, be smart, don't be stupid. You guys are awesome. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in a little while.